Okay, son?
What?
Emma, careful! Easy, easy. Soft and gentle now. So this is the kind of day we're having today at the Homeschool Family Northern Ireland.
I never knew where I was.
One of those days.
I just fell down.
Kirk just smashed into the TV. Stroke DVD player. Okay, son?
It's just I thought that was
Easy now, easy.
I choose to be the robot.
So this is highly unusual.
Alright, here.
Normally at this time of the day we're sitting down with the books.
I'll go back with some.
But
No.
we had started. Kirk looked at me and says, "Daddy, I want to play." And I looked at him and I thought, well, if that's what you want to do, son, you go and play.
Right, I'm here.
I think kids are drilled too hard.
The camera, what did you say?
Not our kids, I mean all kids. I mean, Kirk is just barely 7. And we have him doing the 1st to the 12th table. And all sorts of different things. Learning Spanish. On YouTube. Doing research and do all sorts of different things. But I think this is what they want to be doing most of the day every day.
I'm going like this what I'm in here.
You have to take it easy, Kirk. She's only 4.
Like this looks like an airplane. This looks like an airplane.
Now also, Lindsay has Megan in the back room, and Megan is rewriting a story. As you know, Megan is 9. Sometimes she can't be pushed too far because she takes seizures in most mornings. But today she's okay, and yesterday she was okay, so Mummy has her rewriting a story. But Mummy left her in there, I'm sure, 45 minutes ago. And Mummy went upstairs to do a little job. And Megan, I think she's read about 2 or 3 words. She's been singing non-stop the whole time. And I've just thought to myself, leave them, let them play. A wee day off now and again. I mean, as you can see, our living room is upside down. But the kids are smiling and having fun. Surely that's the most important thing. Emma, could you do me a favour? Could you open the door so I can see Megan for a minute? Megan's down there, working away. Oh, she's doing a wee bit now. Hello, darling.
Here, Daddy.
Yes, darling.
Well, I've been singing about the snowman on the bus.
Megan, I heard you singing all the songs. I heard you singing them all. I heard you singing them all. And there's Mummy carrying another wee one. Just short of 3 months, that wee one's going to be here. So this is the kind of day we are having at the Homeschool Family Northern Ireland. It's all very, very relaxed today. Very relaxed. So I will keep you no longer. I hope you enjoyed a quick look into our day today. Thank you for watching the Homeschool Family Northern Ireland. Son, say bye bye.
Bye. Look! Look, this is a wee choo-choo bus. Let's see. Wee choo-choo bus. Choo-choo on the bus. Choo-choo. choo-choo on the bus goes, take, take, take. In the cold and frosty